In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum friend, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Friends, today we'll learn about the articles. There are the two articles and one is used in besides of a. N is used besides of an. The and a is these are articles. The is indefinite. Okay. The will not use with these things: countries, languages, roads, streets, cities, names, and common. In these things we will not use the. Okay. These are too much confusion where we have to use the and where we not have to use the. So this concept will must make you sure that how and where you can make and use the. Now come to the other slides. The examples of where we will not use the countries. So I did not say that the Pakistan is the Muslim country. I said the example is written here, Pakistan is Muslim country, so this is correct. If I put it here, the after is, this is wrong. Okay. Then languages. In the languages we will not use the as well as. For example, I learned English language. So I did not write here I learned the English language. Roads. I walk on road. I did not write here I walk on the road. This is wrong. And streets. She lives in 22 number street. So I could not say, and I can never say that she lives in 22. She lives in the 22 number street. Cities. In the cities we will also not use the, like Ali jobs in Hyderabad. Okay, so we will not use here, will not here the Ali jobs in the Hyderabad. This is wrong sentence. We will use here Ali jobs in Hyderabad. Okay. Names. If your name is anything, you will understand that your name is particular, you should use the. So this is wrong. With the names we will never use the. Okay. For a particular name we can use the, otherwise any common name we can't use the. For example, suppose any person name is Noor, so she is saying that my name is Noor. Okay, so she did not use here I did not put the. Okay, common C means any C. Now come to the other slide, where now we have discussed that where we will use the and where we will not use the. Okay, we have discussed where we will not use the. Now we are discussing where we have to use the. Okay, the will use with these things: rivers, holy books, which are specific for books, not any books, holy books. Okay, newspapers, particular, and classes. Okay, so friend, now we will see the examples of this. River. If I say river, so river is any river, can be that river, Lahore, Karachi river. It means any kind of river can be. So where we will not use the, but specific, like I said river, so any river can be easily. But what I said that the Indus river, that is a specific thing, so I have to use here the. Holy books can be the Holy Quran, the Gita, and any religious book can be used the. Newspapers, the New York Times newspaper, so for with the any newspaper we have to use the. Okay, particular, like I before said that see, so I did not use here the, but I said here particular thing that urban see, so here I use the urban sea. Classes, if I talk about a one dog or one cat, so I will not use the, but the collections of animals like a dog, cats, more than one, so I have to use the dogs, cats, the cats. Okay, like this I will use here. So now the concept is clear. The is indefinite, the is definite, and we, where and why we will use we have discussed. Now the R and N concept we will continue. R use with consonant sounds, N use with vowel sounds. R use with consonant sound, N use with vowel sound. Okay, R is indefinite, the was definite. Okay, a toy, a boy, a watch, a ball, a student, university, unity, usage, unique, an umbrella. So why I did not put here and I put here what I put here? I put here because in the starting of university the sound is coming yeah sound is consonant. This is a consonant, so I use here I did not use here and, because we have to see if the sound is begin from a, e, I, o, u, so we have to use and, otherwise in a consonant sounds we have to put a unity. Why I did not put here an unity? Because unity is begin from ya, unity, so that's why I put here a. Our usage is coming from usage, usage, so is also consonant, so we will use here a unique is also consonant, so we will use here a. Why I put here umbrella? Because for umbrella the sound is begin from vowels a. Okay, from the 5 letter an umbrella sound is coming, and here we will use an umbrella. The first sound is a, so a is the vowels, we will use here an. Come to the more examples. So he is an unknown boy. So and I use because a known boy, unknown, the first letter is coming from a, unknown. Okay, she is an educated person, a, the sound is coming educated person, a, so that's why I put here an. This is a uniform role. Why I put here a? Because the uniform is begin from a. Uniform is coming from ya sound. Okay, so that's why I use a. My father is an MBBS doctor. So MBBS, M is a consonant, but the sound is coming a. M is giving the sound of a. Whenever you will get the a, e, I, o sounds, so you have to put an. Otherwise you have to, in the consonant you have to put a. Okay, you are not an ugly girl, so not an ugly. Ugly is coming from, the sound is coming from ugly. Okay, so you are not ugly girl, This here I use, and because the sound is coming, thank thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for new videos. If you don't like and subscribe, so kindly like and subscribe and press a bell icon for new videos that you can get more information. And if you get a benefit by this video, so must comment me and must like my channel, because I need your support. If you will tell for more videos and give, and you can say me for any video, I will update for you. Thank you for watching video.